Steampunk Ansible Challenge. Showcase your Ansible Playbook writing skill. Unleash your Ansible expertise and win big in Steampunk Ansible Challenge. Are you ready to embark on an exciting journey throughout Ansible and automation? If you are passionate about Ansible and love solving complex automation problems, the Steampunk Ansible Challenge is your stage to shine. In this article, I will dive into the details of this thrilling competition and how you can participate to test and showcase your Ansible Playbook writing skill. How it works. The Steampunk Ansible Challenge is a series of weekly competitions designed for Ansible enthusiasts all over the level. It's a platform where you can engage in thrilling challenges, solve intricate automation puzzles, and demonstrate your prowess in crafting Ansible Playbook. 5 exciting challenges. Each week, participants receive an email containing all the essential details for that week's challenge. With a total of 5 challenges, there is plenty of room for you to flex your Ansible muscle. The best part, even if you miss the official end date of a challenge, you can still take it on and complete for the grand prize. Precision and speed. To claim the coveted title of grand winner, you must master the art of balancing precision and speed. Conquering all 5 challenges while crafting high-quality playbook within record time is the key to success. However, fret not if tackling all 5 challenges seem daunting. The competition acknowledges and celebrates excellence at every step by recognizing the top 3 performers for each individual challenge. The name will be engraved at the pinnacle of the leaderboard. Win a Meta Oculus. For those who consistently display their playbook writing prowess across all 5 challenges, there is an extra special reward awaiting them, the Meta Oculus. This exclusive prize is reserved to the grand winner of the Steampunk Ansible Challenge. But the accolades don't end there. The top 3 competitors in each individual challenge will receive a bag of steampunk goodies showcasing our appreciation for your dedication and skill. Keep in mind that if you manage to clinch victory in multiple individual challenges, you will receive the award only once. Please note that participating in an individual challenge after its official end date excludes you from the race for the individual award. Mark your calendar. The Steampunk Ansible Challenge is set to kick off in October, promising a thrilling month of competition and camaraderie among Ansible enthusiasts. Here's a glimpse of the challenge timeline. October 12, 4 p.m. Central Europe time zone, first challenge. And moving on until the November 23rd, 4 p.m. Central Europe time. Yes, it's already past the daylight, where is the end of Steampunk Ansible Challenge. The grand winner will be crowned after this exhilarating competition, making the end of a fantastic journey throughout the world of Ansible. Get ready to steampunk. The Steampunk Ansible Challenge is your chance to shine, learn and compete with Ansible enthusiasts worldwide. Whether you are a seasoned Ansible pro or just starting your automation journey, these challenges offer a fantastic opportunity to test your skill and grow. So gear up, mark your calendar and embark on this exciting adventure throughout the Steampunk Ansible Challenge. Precision, speed and passion for automation are your key to success in this remarkable competition. Are you up for the challenge? Let's see inside. Yay!